Hello friends, transformer oil serves as insulating and cooling medium. Over time, it deteriorates due to moisture, oxidation and contamination. In this video, we will discuss the process of reconditioning of transformer oil to restore its dielectric strength and insulating property. First, we will see common causes for contamination of transformer oil. First, water can enter in the transformer oil from the environment, which lowers the dielectric strength of oil and reducing its insulating capacity. Second, if the transformer is running from prolonged time, then the oil can oxidize, which will form the sludge within the oil, which will degrade the oil's insulating properties. Third, high operating temperatures accelerates oil degradation and the release of dissolved gases. Arcing and corona discharge within the transformer also releases gases into the transformer oil. And last, wear and tear on internal components, especially the paper insulation and copper windings, releases particles and dust into the oil. To remove all such contaminants from the transformer oil so that dielectric strength of the oil increased, also insulation property will improve and oil again becomes usable safely. Reconditioning of oil is very important. Here you can see filtration unit used for reconditioning of transformer oil. Reconditioning process is performed in major three steps: heating, filtration and degasification. Valve is provided to allow the oil to enter into the heating chamber. For heating purpose, heaters are provided in the heating chamber. Pressure tank is used to increase the pressure of oil. Filtration is done in purifier chamber by using several filter packs. After filtration process, accumulated dirt, dust, sludge can remove by using sludge delivery valve. For degasification purpose, oil is allowed to enter in the vacuum chamber. Vacuum compressor pump is installed to create the vacuum in the vacuum chamber. We can measure pressure of the oil by using pressure gauge and vacuum by using vacuum gauge. Rotary pumps are used to circulate the oil from heating chamber to purifier chamber and also to collect the pure oil after completion of all process. Now we will see the entire process of reconditioning of oil. First, through the inlet pipe, the impure oil is taken in the heating chamber. In this chamber, heater units are provided by which the oil is heated to a temperature of 60 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade. The advantage of heating is to make the oil thinner, which facilitates separation of impurities, and also it releases the dissolved gases and moisture. The hot oil is then pumped into the purifier chamber. In this chamber, the oil is pressed under a high pressure which is about 6 kg per centimeter square. Oil then passes through several stalks of specially prepared thin paper disc, which are compressed by powerful springs. The interfaces between the surfaces of the filter papers are so fine that even a microscopic impurity cannot pass through it. All such impurities are accumulated on the outer surface of the filter pack, and the purified oil is withdrawn from the central hole of the filter pack. This operation is continued for some time, and during this period sufficient amount of dirt, dust, sediments collected on the outer surface of the filter pack. And after that, compressed air is admitted in the central hole of the filter pack, so it will release all the deposits and are ejected out of the sludge delivery pipe. The purified oil from the purifier enters the vacuum tank. Here it is dropped into the open trays. The oil is thus exposed to dehydrating. Vacuum is maintained by electrically driven high vacuum pump. Finally, the clean and pure oil is collected from the outlet. Thus, by carrying out proper reconditioning practices, we can minimize breakdown risk, ensure operational safety, and maintain the efficiency of power transformer over the long period of time. I hope this video helped you to understand the importance of transformer oil reconditioning. If you found this video useful, please like, share and comment your views in the comment box. And also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with upcoming topics. Till time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.